Come here. Where are you going? I guess we're done. Ah. 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 Why are you recording me?
I'm not.
Are you recording?
Huh?
Are you recording?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Liar. Upside down, baby! Right up, baby. Okay, guys, sing a song for your birthday. Say, I'm 1 year old. Reggie's birthday. I'm 1 year old. Look. I'm 1 year old today. 1 year. 1 year old today. And Mommy's been singing these songs. I'm not going to sing on the camera.
It's not recording.
You're a liar.
What?
Mommy, it's oh, goodness. Why are you spitting at me? Okay, you ready? Say, happy birthday to you. You live in a zoo. You look like a monkey. And smell like one too. Hi. Why are you spitting at me? Oh, am I in your way? Am I in the way? Hey, baby. Say, no? Can you high five? Alright. No, oh my goodness. Hi. Hi. Oh, you're heavy. Where's Daddy? Lucy, where's Daddy? Oh, yeah? Go tell Daddy. Lucy, where's the cat? Cat. Oh, I almost dropped you. That would have been really bad on camera. Dog hair. Cat? That's a monkey.
Caca, huh? Give it to the puppy. Give it to the puppy. Give him his toy. Drop it.
over. On. Off. On. You put on. Did you see? Bless you. Put it on. You put it on Mommy's head. Oh.
Yep. Now give it to the puppy. Give it to the puppy. Sit. 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 Give it to the puppy. Give it to the puppy. Lucy, give the puppy his toy.
Bless you. On. Off. Put it back on. Just making sure it's nice and bent for you. On. Off. Funny when we're doing dinner. Hi, saw your monkey. Amen, Nanny Boo Boo, you can't catch me. Monkey. 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 Oh, thank you. It's covered in doggy blubber. Can you give it to the puppy? Give it to the dog. Bring it to the dog. Bring it to the dog. Good job. Oh, now I'll bring it to Daddy.
Give it to the puppy.
Dog.
Give it to the puppy.
You're very shaky with the camera. And it's not. Oh my God, are you serious? And it's not even straight. Hold it straight.
Why?
Because I don't want to be looking at it crooked
It's an
20
MTV
years
video.
from now. Oh, my mom's gonna kill you. Like, Granny is gonna kick your butt.
There you go, teaching her inappropriate sayings again.
Could be worse.
Yeah, we got that one on camera.
Huh?
We got that on camera, so, you know, when you try to claim it, you didn't teach her to say that.
I didn't say it loud enough for it to be on camera.
I heard it, so I'm sure camera picked it up.
Yeah.
Plus, we can read lips. Keegan.
Seriously? Is it not recording?